man, we need this. Okay?
I needed a break. Oh my God. Wow. Jesus shall lead me all the way. He is the truest. Bon dia. So Ella and I, we are here in front of the Radisson. We are going to climb, I guess, do a climb of all the way up to the statue. It's gonna take us 4 hours. This is the 5-hour excursion. I don't know how long it's gonna take us, but it's going to be an experience today. By the way, Ubers take pretty quick to come here, so I would recommend that you, I think this is a 2580. Yeah, this is it. I would recommend if you're looking, I just use Ubers when you get here. So we're going into the Uber. He's gonna take us there. We should be there in time for the trip. So see you in a bit. Let's go. Oh, bon dia. You can literally use your credit card everywhere. This is honestly insane. I'm telling you. I'm loving this. We're at Raphael, and what's the name of your company?
Aventurismo.
Aventurismo. So we booked this on Airbnb. So we always, I always recommend honestly looking at Airbnb experiences to get tours. There are different companies, Viator, get your guide. But for some reason, I like going through Airbnb experience because I just feel it's better, makes a lot of sense. But so we literally last night went to Airbnb experience and book this tour. Another reason why I recommend Airbnb experience, because you can book your tours literally the night before. And so we're about to book, we booked a hiking experience up to Cristo Redeemer. That's how you say it?
Yeah,
Cristo Redeemer. How do you say it in Portuguese?
Cristo Redentor. Cristo Redentor.
Cristo Redentor. So we booked the tour up the mountain. So we're going to be climbing for 2 hours.
Yeah, hopefully.
Oh God, it should take 2 hours. Through
710 meters high.
And so, wow, 710 meters high.
Yeah.
And so 2 hours, 2.5 hours, hopefully. And you said this is the largest forest in Latin America.
Yeah, urban, largest urban forest in the world. Yeah.
The largest
Tijuca forest.
The Tijuca
90 kilometers square.
Wow. And so hopefully we get to see some monkeys, no snakes, as we go through this experience. So we're gonna show you. So we're going to the top of the. Can we see from here?
Here, exactly no. But we'll see it soon.
We'll see it soon. So we won't see it from here. But basically, yeah, we are. It's now 10:05. We're waiting for 2 more guests. And then after they come, or if they don't come in 15 minutes, then we're going to go. So
hopefully they will do it. I hope so.
Hopefully they do it. All right, so you'll see a lot more, so stay tuned. It has begun. I guess we'll check in along the way of how we're feeling going up this mountain. So, let's go.
pretty clean also. We'll have your other.
You want to go cook?
Points meeting it.
The water. I need to wash my face.
Yeah, that's.
I don't know how long. It's been about 45 minutes. And of course, I'm sweating like crazy. It's really nice. It's not a bad hike. I'm gonna wash my face because let me tell you.
Refreshing a little bit.
Boy, wow.
It's cold. Cold.
Fresh, a little bit cold.
You're still at it. You're going. Oh my God. I guess I wasn't built for this type of thing. Let's go. In there. You're good? Listen.
First of all, he's taking a deep breath. We had to climb so many stairs. And we need this. Okay?
I needed a break. Oh my God.
That's for you
Wow.
behaving yourself better as a brother.
Yeah, good content here. we are telling them what to expect. The reality of this. The reality, right? Listen,
Yeah, this is the
you
making
just trade
of-
yourself.
I just want to know how much longer.
We're almost at halfway.
Halfway?
Yeah, halfway.
So an hour?
Yeah, an hour. We'll be good.
Okay.
He's waiting for food. He's not gonna
Raphael, can I give him some nuts?
do it. It's natural nuts, like fruits.
It's.
You really brought nuts.
Do you think they like salted cashew?
Oh, so
Another one.
oop, it's coming closer. So, oh, I thought they were gonna be bigger.
We have some biggers,
Oh,
but another species.
okay.
This is sagui.
Sagui,
Sagui, yeah, it's a kind of mico.
micro monkey.
Yeah, exactly. Mico.
Lord, talk about living on the edge.
If it's someone who can help you, just stop and ask for help. But it won't be needed. You see it's easy.
See, he says that he does this every day. Man, it's been now about 2 hours, and I think we are almost there. Oh my God, how are you guys feeling?
Yeah, good.
Good? Listen.
Don't record yourself.
Now this is the easy part. The easy part. We crossed the hard part. But it's an experience. We definitely recommend you do it. But be prepared. Be prepared. I think we've made it, y'all. We are here. We have made it. It's been a long way up, but we are here. Whew. Christ the Redeemer. There you. Whew, we made it. We are here. Oh, we have statues up there.
Ah, there must be a long over there.
Yeah, this is Ipanema. You can see the sunset over the sea.
So are you here?
Is that right?
Oh, die Kamera ist gut, wenn man das Display gesehen hat.
He's giving the tour.
Raph, what's the name of it?
Yo, so we made it on top. Christ the Redeemer. Cristo de Redeemer. There's a praise band. There's you hear that behind there?
And next week, the jogging club,
So there's some Christian music. So tell the vloggers what just happened.
What happened is like we just smelled of a person now. We thought it was like water, but it was not refreshing at all.
So apparently someone was just released on the mountain, and they all got the ashes on them.
I 100% got it and inhaled it.
You see, it's quite crowded here, and hopefully you're getting some of the sceneries in the back. But that was a really good worship session after a long. I'm here. Oh, what happened? Oh my God! Go girl.
You missed it.
Yeah. But we're finally here though. So yeah, you see Christ behind. He's rescued us.
Hiking
all the way up, which was horrible, but it was beautiful at the same time.
It was worth it. It was worth it.
It was worth it to see this view, but I'm dreading going back down. But Christ saved us. He saved us. The Savior of the world. Saved us from...
So the drone can fly now.
Yeah.
The drone.
That's the statue. This is where we are. This is how we put here. Christ the Redeemer.
Don't worry. Now there is a zoo also there. A zoo. Zoo. And San Cristóbal is like a place in the Nordeste, things from Northeast of Brazil. It's like a stadium, Ocean Stadium on the side. And you go there, you have like stars, from Northeast Brazil, stars and...
Jesus shall lead me night and day. Jesus shall lead me all the way. He is the truest friend to me. For I remember Calvary. There's a panoramic view up here at the top of Christ the Redeemer, and you're also seeing helicopters. Yeah, so there's a helicopter. So you can come up here on a helicopter tour, but you can walk up just like we did.
Hike all the way
up. Good exercise.
Scrambling a little bit.
Scream. Or you can take a helicopter up, but basically it's a panoramic view of basically all of Rio, and over there, as you're seeing, is the Sambadrome where we went the other night. So you see everything from up here, and great views, great scenery, just a nice vibe. Now we're about to go get some drinks because we are honestly hot, parched, just thirsty, tusty, all of that. So let's go get some drinks. Yeah, right here at Christ the Redeemer. Thank you. Let's go.
So we are shooting shortcut.
But yeah. Instead of walking down, now we are taking the tram down. It is $5 per person. Listen, I was literally dreading the walk down, so this is a better option. The hike was really nice. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Remember, this is a tourist spot. It is really crowded up here, and there's a lot of people waiting for the train. So remember, there are different ways you could get to the top: tram, hike, or helicopter. All right, or even bus. See you at the bottom. 18 minutes to where?
It's 18 minutes to the place.
The hair braiding?
Up
place. So we finished the climb of Christ the Redeemer. We took the shuttle down, and so literally we had met Linus and Charlotte, and so we're walking to a tattoo shop. Let's see what happens over here. But look at this. I mean, Rio, well, I mean, I don't know which one was first, Miami or Rio, but this is the Miami of the South. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. Zonel booked us.
I mean, it's 30 minutes away from me.
The hotel is 30 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
What time are we going to get back? I'll probably...
5:03.
Probably go to the...
40.
I'll probably go to the beach. Are you going to do your hair over there? So Zonel got us over here. Well, I don't know if it's a favela, right? So let me not just call everything favelas. But we got over here. It's kind of a little bit sketchy-esque. So we weren't necessarily going to come out. And so because she wanted to do her hair, and we were like, nah, let's not get out here. But anyway, so we're heading back, and now we're gonna head back to the hotel. Once I get back there, then...
First of all, y'all, I didn't get a chance to do my hair in New York because I was literally told last minute I was going to Brazil, so yeah. Yeah,
so now we head back, and then we go, well, we figure out what we're gonna do there. But no hair braiding. I actually wanted to do my tattoo over here. Maybe I'll figure that out over on the other side. But one of the places I came to over here was closed. But we'll see what we find out over in the Barra de Tijuca area. Adios.